Some spots than others. Going into my red, you can use any colors you like. This is just really nice if you type of technique in painting. If you have the undercolors fairly vibrant, you could do blues, you could do all metallics would be pretty. You could do anything that you like, obviously greens, depending on what you need for your room. Just going to give myself this nice bottom layer, and I'm not going to cover every bit of canvas. I have a little bit of a magenta here. If I can get it out. These bottles, they do cloud up. I just want a lot of bright color on the underlayer of this. More water. Oh, that's really pretty. Bring that in here. The more variation you have underneath, almost the better with this particular style of painting. So if you want to kind of go over just the edges, wet your brush with whatever you've got on.